Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be doing a Bling Galleria mani. We're going to be using some beautiful Aurora pearl gel polishes that are HEMA free. We're also going to be doing some dip powder. I just want to show you some different ways you can use these beautiful Aurora gel polishes, and check out Trixie. This blue is amazing. Okay, so I already went ahead and did the base coat on all the nails that we're going to be applying the Aurora gel polish to. Now this is Trixie. It's a beautiful Aurora blue. It's so pretty. It is very, very hypnotizing when you are applying this gel polish. It is stunning. Now this gel polish here, it's HEMA free, and it also does not have a scent to it, so you do not have that strong gel scent that some HEMA free gel polishes have. So this one is super nice. The formula is amazing. It's smooth. It glides amazingly on the nail. It's not thick. It is the perfect consistency. And if you've been watching my channel for a while now, I've been completely obsessed with the gel method. Like, it has taken over my nail life, and the gels that I've been using are the Bling Galleria gel base and gel top coat, and I'll explain a little bit again why I love it so much in just a few moments. But we are finishing up with this first coat of Trixie, this beautiful blue, and you can see when it hits different lights, it has like that chameleon color changing effect. It's super pretty, and it's a very gorgeous chrome effect. Now chrome is in right now. It is everywhere, and chroming can be a little bit messy, so I'm also going to show you a little trick how to use these for a chroming effect nail over dip powder as well. Now you can see here I went ahead and I cured that off camera for 30 seconds, and we're going in with a second coat of this beautiful color here, and it is totally transforming. It is magical. It is everything, and it's so pretty. This color right here is really fun. It's giving me unicorn vibes, and you're gonna see here when we start adding different elements to this mani, it really is giving me unicorn vibes for sure. But this gel polish right here is just a really fun way to effortlessly have that chrome effect on your nails, and it's really easy. The formula, again, is very thin, and the consistency is amazing. But I really like how this is turning out. The Aurora gel polishes, you can use so many things now. If you wanted a more of a vibrant mani, you could do a layer of black gel, cure that for 30 seconds, and then put this blue over it. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so 2 coats cured now. It is amazing, right? So now we're going to go ahead and we are going to do the gel method here, and we're going to use Blue Vibes. And we are going to transform this nail even more. So Blue Vibes is a beautiful, like, iridescent blue. It is stunning. It has this most gorgeous flakies in here. And if you've ever worked with any of Bling Galleria dips, you know that they're very, very full coverage, and they're so easy to work with. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap some of these beautiful mylar flakes down, and you're going to see here that this nail is super full coverage already, which is amazing, because if you are doing dip powders over your jelly tips or builder gel and you already have that strength, one coat is really all going to be what you need. If you struggle from having like any bulk, these powders are really going to help you with that. All right, so I'm just gently pressing down these flakes. Again, we are using gel base, so it is not cured. So if you do press these down too hard before you cure it, it is going to disturb that gel. So I cured it for 30 seconds. I am brushing it off, and check out how full coverage this dip is. It is stunning. It's gorgeous. It is a thin layer of dip. It is very beautiful on the nail. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take Trixie here, and we're going to chrome this nail. So it is going to look like we chromed it, and then you're going to see these beautiful mylar flakes peek through, and then we're going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. You can see here I did brush off that brush before I put it back in the bottle, and that is going to prevent any of that dip powder that we just used to transfer into that bottle. So I went ahead and cured this nail, and how fun is this? It's just a really easy way to add a chrome effect to the nail. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what to do with some vinyl stickers. Okay, so vinyl stickers are key if you want to achieve a look like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place some vinyl stickers on the nail. Now this is the nail that we put that Aurora gel polish in. So I'm going to go ahead and take the silicone tool. I'll also link the silicone tool in the description box below. And I'm going to make sure I'm really rubbing these stars into the nail here. And you're going to see what we're going to do next. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a lighter shade of the Aurora gel polish in Olinda. It's more of like a white pearl with a hint of pink, has a slight purple to it, and we are going to do the thinnest layer over these star stickers, the thinnest layer, and you just want to make sure that those stars are completely flat to the nail. You do not want any of them popping up, and the vinyl stickers are really great for making sure that they're sticking down really flat, and they're also going to be super easy to peel up. So I went ahead and flash cured this nail for 10 seconds only. Only 10 seconds. And now I'm taking a tweezers and I'm gently peeling off these stars. And you're going to see here, you're going to get like this really fun outline of a star. And it's really pretty and it just looks so fun. You can see it's very pretty. It's very subtle, but yet you have these stars, and you can do this look with any vinyl sticker. All right, so now to really jazz up this mani and give it more of a unicorn look, we are going to be using these stars from Iridescent Beach. I love this mixture so much. It is such a fun summer, all year long glitter. It has the most fun pieces in here. There are these really pretty blue, almost like iridescent Aurora stars that we're really focusing on right now. There's some hearts. There's some other color stars. It's just really overall a fun glitter. And this is also from Bling Galleria, and I'm using the wax tip from the Bling Galleria precision tool, and I'm just placing these stars all over the nail. I did do a layer of base coat and I did not cure it, and I'm just putting those stars on, and once I'm satisfied with the placement of the stars, I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, so you could totally leave this nail as is, but I really wanted to add some of these silver stars in the middle of the stars, so it was kind of like a layering star effect. That's why I put the silver stars in, because I really wanted to just put stars everywhere on this mani. But I really wanted to show you what you could do with the Aurora gels with vinyl stickers. And I just really like how the layering effect really looks with that pop of silver. Just overall super fun. So there's just so many different things you can do with these polishes. Again, you can put them over black, you can put them over white, you can really put them over any color. I just think they're so pretty and fun, and you can see here that we did it over that blue vibe color, that dip powder, and it just gave that like a chrome effect that was really effortlessly, because sometimes chrome powders can be super messy. If you're rubbing too hard with a chrome powder, it's going to start looking really patchy as well. It's kind of just overall a little bit messy, and this is a really fun, easy, clean way to do a simple chrome mani, and it's just really fun, and you just get this beautiful pearl finish. Okay, now to finish up this mani, I went ahead and did the rest of the stars off camera, and we finished off with a layer of my favorite gel top coat, and I cured it for 60 seconds, and here's the finished mani. I love it so much. Now, doesn't this remind you of unicorns? I don't know, it's like the beautiful like Aurora, Trixie blue, and then we have that beautiful like chrome nail. It's just so fun. And the stars, I really love it so much. And you can really see that star nail that we did the vinyl stars on it, and we put Olinda on top, how it gave it more of like a chrome effect too. Really pretty. Overall, this was such a fun mani to do, and I hope this gives you more inspiration on how to use some fun Aurora gel polishes. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in that description box below, and I'll see you all in the next upload.